Welcome to another episode of What's for Dinner Bald Man. Making my patty melt. I love these versus just plain grilled cheese. I use that same burger recipe for almost every patty I do. That way, you can add breadcrumbs. You don't have to. I sometimes do. It all depends. If I don't find it too wet, not binding. Burger sauce. You saw 4 simple ingredients. I sometimes throw a little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper, just to bring out the flavors. And again, watching me muck these up. So what I did here, I made 2 giant burger patties or burger balls, and that's what you want to do. You want to make balls because you're gonna crush them down or smush them in the pan. I ended up breaking these ones into 2 separate patties, so that was, as you see them in the pan right now, that was 1 ball broken into 2 smaller ones that way. Because you can watch the time lapse, it'll probably shrink down, right? So sometimes it looks scary big and it really isn't. Some of you are probably cringing watching me crush that a couple times, but I set it on top. I'm not smushing it any further down with juices. Burger sauce on the inside, and I've been using the last couple of years mayonnaise versus butter. Gets that golden rich color, that crispy crust that we all like to see that way. So again, pretty simple. I love that sound. Super tasty. I caramelized some onions as well on top of the onions in the mix. Enjoy What's for Dinner Bald Man. Thank you everybody for tuning in.